我开始直播了，你不用在上面。
什么东西？
我开始直播了，你不要在上面。
直播吗？刚才我在照相机面前做了一个很奇葩的动作，请他帮我删掉，我不知道那个东西是开的。
没有开啊。
哦，那就好，吓死我了！
天哪，你是这样直播的？
我是想看一下你们做的女生吧，故事。
啊？
那他是这个啥？
没有，就没有麦克风，那个坏了。
这个坏，
那个坏了，这个坏。
就这个。
马上把我家人拍。就上面可以看，还可以爬开。然后
有路，但是有可能中间有断。
没关系。
So this is this class, and you're gonna have
上不了海南过来了。
看在哪？
你喊一下就行了，表姐过来，然后大家就坐，然后开始了，时间来不及了。
iPad 还没上来。
什么？
iPad 还没上来。
那你再等5分钟吧，再等4分钟。开始吧，马上开始，在等 iPad 不是计时吗？
啊 ，iPad 上面
iPad 上面记那个时间不然他们又要超时啊。
还手机上
看不见，我就想说到5分钟了，
对啊，超过5分钟了，远超5分钟。
Experience or profile. And then as far as show whether it is now or
没事，不用了，不用了，不用了。准备吧，我写在纸上，到时候。
All right, everybody, our demo section is about to start. Please take a seat.
哎呀。让大家坐下来。我们一会儿计时的呀。好，计时好，我这边计时。
All right, so we have 4 groups presenting today. So 2 from the mini hackathon and 2 from WebDXE. So for the mini hackathon, we got 5 minutes to present, and for WebDXE students, you got 10 minutes to present. And our judges will remind you when you run out of time. Okay, so let's welcome the first group from mini hackathon today. Is their project is the to-do. It's called to-do list. And let's welcome Paul and Michael.
Hey everyone, I'm Michael, and good evening everyone. As we have decided this morning, we are going to write a mini project which is based on the idea of the to-do list. So I believe everyone should have a to-do list, right? So everyone will have a list and write what kind of tasks they should do for this day, and then they probably will write a date that's right after the items to say, okay, today I'm going to do this. Next day I'm going to do the next item. So it will be all done in one list. So I'm thinking about the ideas to improve the to-do list so that it can connect with the calendar in order to help the user to easily manage their to-do list. So, and then with the really key parts of our project is we make the item to be jackable to the calendar, so the users can look at the to-do list, the list they want to do, and the calendar at the same time. So okay, today I want to do this item. Then just drag the items to the calendar, and then yeah, that's the goal of our project. And Paul is going to demo how the users can actually use the app to accomplish the goal.
Okay, so I'm Paul. And so yes, we created the mockup with the basic to-do list with a simple functionality like adding and removing the item. And this mockup is created to illustrate the functionality we wanted to implement for planning the different tasks. So here, this is the basic functionality, and yeah, the interesting part is that we can take a task and assign it to a date here, and here it appears as a plain task. So then we can move to another date, and then you can organize your task and assign it to different dates. Just like that. Okay. So this is just a basic mockup just to illustrate this functionality that we wanted to implement. So yeah, so for this project we used just so it's a full JavaScript solution on the client side. So we used JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap, and an existing calendar widget for jQuery and Bootstrap. And the technology we use. And that's all.
That is. Curious question. So is there any logic behind the color of each task? Is there a logic behind like Monday is blue or?
Yeah, no.
Friday, no?
Just random colors just to identify the different tasks on the calendar.
Okay, so the color is randomly assigned. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, just you have to identify on the calendar to know which task is on which associated to.
Yeah. Okay, that's my question.
So have you think about like different way to prioritize the to-do list, because to-do list, you cannot like treat every to-do list the same. You just want to sort it in calendar, but what happens if you have multiple to-do lists in the same day? How did you prioritize that?
So for the moment, it's not implemented. Yes, it's implemented. Sorry.
Yeah. Do you think about like
you can try to put a second task on the same day, not like the red one for example. You can put it on the green day. Yeah.
Oh, pretty nice. Yeah. So you've got 2 lines over there.
Yeah, and you have
Okay.
cool.
Thanks.
The technical or the feature itself. What do you think is like having done the demo is the best feature in your product? Like, cause in a hackathon or in any product, you want to have a wow feature. It's your wow feature.
So given that the calendar is a component used directly, that I cannot mention the calendar, but I think the whole functionality will be the drag and drop, and to use the drag and drop functionality to planify the task.
Okay, that's great because I think so too. You actually solved a big pain point, which is when you actually set the calendar time, you actually don't know what date you want it. So having it in the same place and just dragging it in there is a very natural thing that haven't seen a lot, right? But what is the downside of this?
For example, like on a screen like that, because normally we have the task on the left and the calendar on the right. This is a responsive design. And here, if you want to take a task and put it in November, I think it will be a bit complicated. Also with the MacBook without the mouse, because you have to select and scroll down.
So a lot of the action, the precision of the mouse is that. Great, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Great. Right, next we have Michelle and Joy presenting undergrad lab and finders.
Hi. So today we created a web app called Undergrad Lab Finder. So Michelle and I have both science background. That's why we we discussed and we came up with this problem that students had, especially in the life science field, and that is to find lab experience. Lab experience is very important for students, especially to get into med school or grad school. But a common problem is that the jobs recommended for labs all seem to be very technical. But where on campus can students actually find those experiences in order to apply for those highly technical lab positions? A common